Gear reducer helical gear hard-tooth surface reducer offers multiple mounting configurations, including base-mounted and flange-mounted types. Features a compact size, high rigidity, and extended bearing life. Core performance metrics include power ratings 0.12到160千瓦 output torque is ranging 1.4 23200 Nm and rotational speeds 0.06到1090转每分钟。Transmission ratios reach up to 264 for 2-stage to 3-stage configurations, with modular models achieving ratios as high as 18, 125. The entire series achieves average mechanical efficiencies 85到96. The product line encompasses four major subseries: R, RF, RX, RXF. Base models range R17, R167, catering to diverse industrial application requirements.